I really like the windows and the amount of glass that was used in the building process of this school because I like the natural sunlight and I like how modern it looks and futuristic as well.
I think it's pretty awesome. The library has changed a lot. It evolved from one library to the next, basically. It started off like tiny and it was just very cramped, and then it moved to an even tinier place. So this is like such a big difference, and there's obviously so much more room for more books and more people to express their love for reading. As a 6th grader, I think it was either a really close walk or a really far walk. So like if you wanted to go from, for example, science to another Spanish class, super short walk. But if you wanted to like go from PE to lunch, that's like a journey basically. Like it was now everything's very close and related, and like I think it's easier, I guess, to access these things.
Something that I like about the school building is that the texture, the technology, like the space, and how it's organized and well put together. Our cafeteria when I was in 6th grade was like crowded, but now they have like more they have no more options where you could sit. You can sit like on these chairs, on the small tables, or like on the long tables. Like more opportunities to be more comfortable where you want to be at.
I think the natural lighting is really awesome because honestly it's easier to look at like computer screens and read and just kind of see and exist in a room because the lighting isn't harsh and it just feels way more natural.
This year, especially going to meet the teacher and seeing what I would expect, it made me get excited for school, and it's been a while since that has happened, so it's just made the environment a little easier to learn in and to be in.